Okay, today we're going to talk a little bit about the Nasdaq futures, and there's good news and there's bad news. The good news is that symmetry continues to show up in the markets over and over and over again. So, for example, we had some prior swings that were very similar to the decline that ended up happening last night. So we had a decline of 47 points here. We had a decline of 45.25 points here. We had another similar decline, 44.5 points, and this one was 44.75 points. Okay, so if you ran the symmetry and you had these levels, in advance, let's say just looking at this one symmetrical projection, you would have had the information that you needed to take a shot on the long side if you got an entry that was triggered on the buy side. The only problem was that it happened in the middle of the night. So that's the bad news. But it does happen during the day also. This one just happened to happen overnight. So what do we do now? Well, we set it up again because we don't know if the pattern is going to repeat itself, but we're going to anticipate that possibility. So let's run all of the projections all over again from the most recent high. All right, so there's 100% of that. There's 100% of this slightly smaller swing, 100% of this slightly smaller swing. Let's see, we're going to have 100% of this one. And we're going to have 100% of this swing. And then also these two smaller swings, we'll take this prior high to low. And then we're also going to run a projection of this prior high to low. Now let's see, there might be one more teeny one here that we can use. Yeah, that's where the actual low comes in now. So we have the symmetry of those prior declines within the uptrend, and then we have a retracement that we're going to look at, and we have the 618 retracement that comes in just under that. Bottom line, what I'm looking for here, since the recent decline is still similar to some of these prior declines within the uptrend, I still have to look at buy signals, okay? So the areas that stand out at this point, 64.0306, 63.97 to 64.01, 63.90 to 94. Now let's say we hold above this last low. What can you expect on the upside? Well, you just measure the high to the low, and that's going to give you the potential upside target, which is going to be the 64.46 area. If we break below all of these support decisions instead, then forget about it. Then I am wrong on that